The armor of a tank varies significantly based on its position and the angle of attack. Some areas are heavily fortified, boasting armor over 10 times stronger than less protected zones. This diversity plays a crucial role in shaping the impact of warheads, especially shaped charges ranging from minimal damage to the immediate detonation of ammunition, often launching the turret into the air. While any strike is advantageous, attacking from the rear proves most effective. This area typically has a larger expanse with less robust protection, increasing the likelihood of penetrating through the turret or engine compartment and resulting in the complete destruction of the tank, diminishing the available forces for the next day.